Alright guys, today I'm going to be making a video of my EDC, or my everyday carry items. So let's get started. First off, Ray-Ban aviator sunglasses. Use those a lot. My keys, car, bike, lock, and house keys, and then I got a knife on there. And a couple keychains, an airplane keychain, a US Army keychain, a racing keychain, car race keychain. Verizon $30 flip phone. I hope to be upgrading to a Verizon Cosmos soon. My butterfly knife. Carry that everywhere. It's very useful, and they are completely legal to carry in my state, so I use that thing a lot. My leather wallet, my iPod, 4th generation, and then my hat. I will not go anywhere without my hat. That is the most important thing on me. And then I carry this. I always wear this cross, which is even more important than the hat. I won't go anywhere without wearing this cross, which I got in Italy. But anyway, that's about it for my EDC. So thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.